Young little boy lost his daddy to dope. His mother turned to booze, it was the only way to cope. Young little boy with no hope, chasing daddy's car, crying please don't go. Mama always gone, he raised his brother and his sister, forced to listen in the other room while the new daddies hit her. Moving school to school, they were always on the go. Growing up, he felt so alone. By the time he grew up and got with the trends, listening to metal, doing drugs with his friends. Pills, coke and booze, money always spent, always heartbroken. When would it end? He couldn't take it anymore, so he tried on multiple occasions to end his life. He took grandpa's gun out his mouth and he cried, lay there scared and alone that night. As time went on, he began to struggle with addiction. Trapped in his own mind, felt like a prison. Smoking dope in the kitchen, putting blankets in the windows just so that his neighbors couldn't witness. Became like his daddy who was hooked on meth, stumbling through life trying to catch his breath. But somewhere down the road he lost himself. Prisoner to the game, he was scared to death.